Good morning, YouTube, and another day with Geo at service. Happy holidays. And yeah, today I have two furnaces, 90% furnaces which need maintenance, and two humidifier pads that needs to be changed on the humidifiers on the systems. And we also have a fresh air unit that has to be in maintenance as well. So you're in to see it all today. Stay tuned. Got these. Fresh air. Clean that out. And I get rags. So that was the flame sensor just removed. I have my two limits and my igniter. So what I'm trying to do is remove the burners, because right here we have bees that are dead, if you can see. So we're cleaning all this out. Unfortunately, they came in the summertime through the fresh air, so that has to get removed. We'll check our capacitor, we'll check our pressure switches. We'll pull this line out and clean our trap, which is right under here, and clean our drain line out just to make sure that everything is running. We'll also check our condensating pump and so on. Then we'll run a test. We'll turn it back on, jump out our heat, and I'll show you guys how that's done in a little bit. So stay tuned. This is our gas valve right here. This is gonna stay. If we had to take drastic measures, I would remove 1, 2, 3, and 4, break the union, and let this thing hang out to pull out that tray. So you guys see if I have to shortly. So stay tuned, guys. Got it. Igniter's pretty dirty. So clean that up. I'll replace it. Like and subscribe.